Hi, my name's Tom. I just got back from vacation and we used these three different hard case suitcases. We went on an airline and then we went on a cruise. And so these things went through a lot of different transfers and get beat up and pushed around and luggage carriers. And I want to talk about how they held up. So first of all, one of these suitcases is not like the others. This is actually an American Tourister. And it worked well. Hard case suitcase. It's an older model. I'm not even sure if you can still get it. But it's pretty standard. It's got the handle on top. It's got a lifty handle on the back there. You have the spinning wheels and you have the expandable pocket on the side. You can kind of open it up and expand it. And the inside is very much the same. This is an American Tourister. It's a well-known brand. These two are Rockland. Rockland is not a brand that I knew about. We picked them up from Amazon, but they performed just as well and they work just as great. They spin really, really great, as you can see. They have the little feet on the edges, so you can go ahead and put them kind of like down. They are fairly lightweight. They're really, really pretty nice. They have a handle on the side as well as a handle on the top. They do have an expandable handle on top as well. Just press the button up and down. So you can go ahead and carry it. The wheels, again, did work great. I'm going to show you the interior here. The interior, happens to be the pink and blue. Let me get both sides here. The pink and blue, there you go. It's got pink purple polka dots here. The way this works is you can put your clothing in here. You can actually open this up and kind of get to the interior. These straps go together to kind of clip and hold your things in on this side. There's an extra little zipper pocket in here. And then the other side, you actually have a zippered side for clothing. You can open that up, you put all your clothes in, and you zipper it up to keep everything kind of from falling out. So when you want to open the suitcase up, what you do is you lay it on its side like this with the emblem up, and then you go ahead and you open it, and because this is zipped, although none of those clothes fall out, because this is open, all your clothes stay in here, just like that. It worked really, really well. I'm going to close this back up again. All of the zippers actually worked really, really nicely. There are two sets of zippers on them. The one set will actually close and open the suitcase. Let me grab it here. We'll close and open the suitcase. There is room for a luggage lock as well. If you put the two zippers together, you can use a luggage lock there. And then the other zipper is for expanding. So the way this works is you go ahead, where is it? It's the round one. The round zipper is for expanding. The little round little knob is for expanding it. You open it up, and what happens is watch this. Boop, you get that extra inch or two of space there for packing so that you can go ahead and actually put more clothes in there. When you're coming back from vacation and you have all your souvenirs, you need to open up a little extra space. You can go ahead and do that, and it will give your suitcase another inch or two of packing space. So again, this is kind of the blue and pink one here, and then this was the blue one, and the same idea. This does not have polka dots on the inside. I believe it just has, oh, it does have a design. I'm sorry. This was my son's. There we go. And you can see it has kind of a little fancy little circles in there. The same idea, gray interior, but otherwise the suitcase is exactly the same. And it worked really well. Again, these things both went through multiple airlines, and they went through a cruise ship that kind of reel them out, and you kind of drop your luggage off, you come back. Now, how did they survive? This is what they look like. They pretty much came back almost brand new. I got a couple little scuffs here and there. Let me see. Do I see anything on top? Nope. Again, the wheels are really good. Actually, my daughter's came out almost perfect. Oh, there's a tiny little black scuff. There you go. But no real damage at all. Everything was nice and clean. My son's suitcase had a ding there, and then a ding on the bottom, I think. He's got a ding on the bottom as well. But that's it. You know, just kind of, that's it. That's all there is to it. That is the exact same sort of thing that happened to the American Tourister case. It's got a couple dings. It's got a little dent on the side there. It's got a scratch on the side. But that's it. Hard case suitcases are really, really nice because they do go ahead and protect your clothes. They don't get crushed. They don't get compressed. Everything is hard. So it does work out really well. It does kind of keep its form. I actually like the hard case. We actually traded in a bunch of soft cases. We kind of got rid of them because they were getting torn and ripped. They were getting stained. The fabric gets stained really easily. A lot of the dirt on this can actually just be wiped right off because it is plastic. So yeah, these are the Rockland luggage. We were really very impressed. We weren't sure what to expect, but the wheels worked perfectly. They spun great. It's actually easier to pull these along than the older American Tourister. But the Rockland's really, really great. Lots of different colors, lots of different options. Really, you can't go wrong with these. They're a really good suitcase, and they're highly recommended.